experiment, we will be making a rain cloud. For this experiment, you will need a clear glass or jar, some blue food coloring, some shaving cream, an iron medicine dropper, a small bowl, and some water. The first thing that you want to do is take some water and put it into your small container. Next, you want to take your blue food coloring and place a couple drops into the water. Next, what you want to do is take some water and fill your glass or jar about 3/4 of the way full. Alright, so now what we're going to do is take our shaving cream, and this is going to be our cloud. We're going to place it on top of the water. Now that you have your cloud, you want to let it sit for a couple seconds. After a couple of seconds, you want to take your blue water, or rain, and use your medicine dropper to slowly add it to your cloud. Do you see the rain coming down through the cloud? Why does this happen? First, let's review some words. Precipitation, water that falls from the sky in the form of rain, sleet, hail, or snow. Atmosphere, the thin layer of gases surrounding Earth. Evaporation, the process where a liquid changes to gas or vapor. Water vapor, water in the form of a vapor or gas. Condensation, the process where water vapor cools and turns into liquid. Gravity, a force by which a planet draws objects towards its center. Water cycle, the process of water moving from large bodies of water, ocean, lakes, rivers, to the atmosphere or sky, to the land, back to the bodies of water. Why does rain fall from the sky? Rain is one part of the water cycle. Water from lakes, oceans, and other sources evaporate into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. The water vapor rises and then cools, causing condensation or tiny water droplets. The water droplets combine together, and when billions of the water droplets come together, a visible cloud forms. Over time, the water droplets attract more water. Once the cloud is full of water droplets and they become too heavy that the cloud can't hold them anymore, they fall out of the cloud down to the earth in the form of precipitation or rain due to gravity. In the rain cloud experiment, the shaving cream acts as the cloud. The clear water in the glass or jar acts as the air, and the blue water acts as the rain. When the shaving cream cloud gets too heavy with the blue water or rain, the blue water or rain falls out of the shaving cream cloud and into the water air. Did you know dirt, dust, and chemicals in the air, pollution, travel up into the atmosphere during the process of evaporation? These tiny particles become part of the cloud, which also makes them part of the rain that falls. Take it to the next level. Add different colors of food coloring into a little water and drop the different colors of water into the cloud to make rainbow rain. Thanks for watching!